changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sophanie. I am back with a hair tutorial. So this video is going to be about this wig I bought off AliExpress. So what I'm doing right now, I am using my Got To Be glue hairspray to lay down my edges before I install my ball cap. And I'm just using my blow dryer to dry it out. So the wig I am using today is a KINKY straight wig. It is 14 inches long, and the lace front measure is 13x4. So this wig is 150% density. It's pretty full and soft. I'm gonna cut some anyways. Well, I'm not going to do a lot of talking on this video. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm gonna let you guys watch. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment. You can also email me if you want me to do a hair review on your wigs. I don't mind that at all. I enjoy doing videos. I am back active on my channel. All right, y'all, keep watching.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lip.
Okay, so this is the hair. It is super cute. So I already bleached the knots. I did some tweezing off camera. I'm not satisfied with the lace. The lace was supposed to be HD and transparent. I tried to bleach the knots and the lace. It doesn't turn out how I wanted it to look like. So, well, we're gonna try and work with it like that. I mean, it's not all bad. It wasn't an expensive wig. It was very affordable. You know, Mr. AliExpress. Very affordable. But anyways, you guys, yeah, keep watching.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
So yeah, like I was saying, guys, the lace is way too white. So I am using my beauty blender and just slightly rub it on the lace to make it match with my skin tone. So that way it look more like skin, kind of. So what's going to melt that lace in your skin is this hairspray I am using right now. I bought this off Amazon. This is the Wonder Lace Bond Spray.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling.
Some of you had seen me use this hair stick. So for the ones who didn't know, this hair stick is to help prevent any flyaways, to give the hair some shines, to flatten the lace, and to make it look professionally done. So yeah, like I was saying earlier, guys, this wig is 14 inches long. I didn't want it to be long because I know that I wanted a straight bob. I didn't want to waste my money and purchase a long wig. So yeah. Yeah, it looks so much better after cutting. You can't tell me this is not my hair, honey.
Cannot I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong? I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down. I'll be getting loud, you can have your doubts, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you.
So this is me cutting the front, making some layers because I wanted it a side bang. I used to love bangs. I had this type of hairstyle like years ago, maybe high school. Yeah. So yeah, I loved it. It's so cute.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo,
yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward.
Ooh, baby, I am back, honey. Look at this hair. So I did my makeup. I did a small foundation and some setting powders and lip gloss, and then fixed my eyebrows a little bit. And yeah, this is me. Yes, boo. Period. This hair is giving. Yes, it's giving natural. It's giving my hair. It's giving scalp. Ooh, yes, definitely buying another one. Ooh, I had so many compliments. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Be safe. Bye.
Let's go.